Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in West Sussex and wanted to show you a project we completed around 3 months ago. A really beautiful garden office and actually being used as a music room as well. 4.2 metres wide and 3 metres deep in our standard, what we call our kite model, which has got these French doors, UPVC French doors, large windows to the side in our anthracite colour, which is the standard colour. And you'll see there's lovely smoky kind of look into the glass there. That's the low E glass that we installed on this one. That's reflecting the heat out in the summer, about 60% of the heat and UV rays, and then also it holds the heat in the winter, so it's a really efficient glass. On the side here you can see we've used the cement board cladding. That's a slightly cheaper alternative to the MTX that we used on the front, but none of the building has timber outside, and because of that it's very low maintenance, and you've got a 10-year full guarantee with a 50-year life expectancy. Fully installed with electrics, lighting, heating, and we've done the internet. Being used as a daily office and then also as a music room. Kept the space really open in here. So if I just take you inside quickly, you see there, to set up really nice with a little desk, MDF lining on the walls, downlighters inside, and then the guitars and everything being used there. In a really nice chilled out way. The client's telling me he's using this around about 12 hours a day and really loving the integration with the garden that he didn't have in his old office, which was actually just a room in the bedroom. So there you go. So it's a beautiful self-contained office. That means you've got that separate space away from the home for you to do your hard work, and then also on this one a bit of relaxing and enjoying playing some music as well. If this kind of garden room or any kind of garden buildings of interest, give me a buzz on 01444 247 192 and keep following us on our social media. Lots of exciting projects coming up over the next few months, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye.